Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to bring you an event on Crypto.com. Basically, if you guys are looking to get into the Axie Infinity game or basically trying to get into the Scholar or whatsoever, this is a chance for you to basically win a free Axie to potentially start off your whole Axie Infinity journey. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video, and let's get started. So for you guys who are out there who are really looking to basically win this Axie itself, I'm going to explain to you the whole event, and after that from there, if you guys want to basically hope that you can win, just kindly hit the like button, and from there you will get some good karmas. So we're just gonna do this introduction for the new viewers out there who do not know what is Crypto.com, or let's say do not understand what is this all about. Basically, Crypto.com is an application where you can basically purchase cryptocurrency, get a debit card from them, and after that from there you can load up with your cryptocurrency, and from there you can spend your cryptocurrency, and you can earn rebates as high as 8% on your purchase. I mean like your purchase meaning whatever you're spending on, you are getting 8%. And after that, I would say that is a pretty cool thing. And after that, yeah, the product itself, the Crypto.com ecosystem itself, they have a lot of things. And after that, from there, the metal card is always the one that I always talk about. And after that, second is the crypto growth, the crypto earn, which basically you can earn passive income from the platform. So this platform itself, I will say for beginners, if you guys are really new to the crypto ecosystem, basically you can just use the application and sign up. And of course, on basically upon signing up, you will receive this free $25, and I'm going to talk about it later. So I'm just going to talk about the whole ecosystem. On the application itself, you can basically purchase your first Bitcoin, or let's say not your first Bitcoin, maybe let's say you want to start off with, you can purchase whatever cryptocurrency that is on the application, which I mean they support quite a lot of cryptocurrency, which you can use to basically use your debit or crypto or your credit card to purchase your cryptocurrency. And from there you can store it with the crypto earn program if your assets is supported. And from there you can basically wait for weekly, every 7 days you'll get paid on your deposits on the crypto earn. After that, or let's say on your daily lives, let's say you take the bus, or let's say you are preparing to go out to have a day to basically eat and stuff like this, you can use the metal Visa card to get rebates on your spendings. And after that, if let's say you are you are looking to spend some crypto, buy some things online, if let's say the merchant have this Crypto.com Pay, you can use the Crypto Pay feature, and after that from there you can get a rebate from using CRO to pay for stuff. So basically they also have NFT, and after that they have a full-fledged exchange, which is advanced trading. And after that they also have DeFi protocols and stuff like this, and they are running their own crypto.org chain. And after that, we are just going to talk about the free $25 right now. So for the free $25, I would say that if you guys want to get it, it's very simple. Just hit the like button, and after that, secondly, scroll down to the description of this video, and from there just click on the link and you will sign up. And after that, once you are prompted to basically add a referral code or a promo code upon signing up, you just enter my code on the signing up process. Why is that so? If let's say you do not want to use my code, or let's say you have your friends or family who are already in the ecosystem, you can use their code of course. And after that, I will recommend you to use a code, because if you do not use any code itself, Crypto.com is not going to issue you the free $25 in CRO. Basically, you are just signing up and you're not getting any bonuses, and I would discourage that. If let's say you want to really utilize your benefits, I would say that just sign up, and after they use a promo code. And after that, upon receiving your basically you need to do a KYC and stuff like this. So once you have done your KYC, your account has been verified and stuff like this. Secondly, you will need to basically buy some CRO token to lock up for their metal Visa card. And once you have locked up the metal Visa card itself, it is technically I would say is quite worth it, to be honest. There is no like monthly fees or whatsoever. So if you're a Spotify user, you can depend on the tier itself, and after that from there you can choose accordingly on what you want to lock up for. So Ruby Steel or Midnight Blue does not is a free card. So if you're gonna use this free card itself, bear in mind that you're not eligible for the free $25. I mean the $25 will always be in your account, just that once you upgrade it to Ruby Steel, they will release the funds, they will release the rewards to your account, and from there you will receive this free $25, and after that enjoy all the benefits that is mentioned. So we are going to talk about the Axie free event right now. So right now on the event itself, how do you even take part in the event? It's very simple. The previous segment that I've said, like signing up an account, downloading the app and everything. So basically on this event itself, you will need to basically have a Crypto.com application account, and you have to complete your KYC. And after that, from there, once you have done it, you will need to basically start trading, basically buy or sell at least 100 US USDT, US dollar worth of EXO, the Axie Infinity token, the AXS, or the Smooth Love Potion, which is the currency on Axie Infinity. And after that, from there, every week, so there's basically every week they are giving out free one EXO, and after that, from there, you can choose. Basically, you can choose from your, if let's say you won the program, you won the lottery or something like that, you can choose the Axie Infinity that is on the market, and from there, Crypto.com is gonna buy it for you and send it to your wallet, and from there you can spend. You can just embark your journey on the Axie Infinity game. And after that, basically it is quite interesting on how does all these work. And after you can see there's going to be 4 lucky winners selected, and after that it is based on the weekly basis, so from 11 to 17. So right now it's the 13th of August, so we're at week one. So if you are watching this video, that's good for you. Just hit the like button as well, so from there you know that we are immersed of this week 1 event. And after that, in the week 1 itself, there is going to be one free EXO that is going to be given out to a lucky user. And after that, for week 2, another EXO Infinity, the NFT. And after that, the third week and the 4th week, basically every week throughout the whole event period is going to last until the 7th of September. And after that, from there, people are going to walk away with one free EXO Infinity that can be worth up to 3,000 of Ethereum, basically in Ethereum, $3,000 worth. And after that, from there, yeah, you guys can embark your journey onto basically add it to your collection and start playing the Axie Infinity game on your own, instead of trying to basically get into a scholarship, the scholar program and stuff like this. I understand that many people out there are trying to get into a scholar program, and of course getting into a scholar program is very hard, and after that you need to expose a lot of your identity, and from there, yeah, basically some might be scam and it is super risky. But on Crypto.com itself, they're offering you an opportunity to play the game, and after that offering you the opportunity to basically possibly earn if let's say you are good at the game. And of course, the next thing we're going to talk about, how can you win this event, and after that the terms and conditions of this Axie Infinity breakdown for you on this segment. So how do you even take part in this? Basically, we're going to look at the terms and conditions and a detailed breakdown on the event. So first of all, you need to sign up using the link down below, and after that, from there you need to start trading. And after that, the pair that you need to trade on is the AXS or SLP, and after that you need to trade at least $100 worth to be eligible. And after that, if you scroll down more over here, you can see if you want to win your chance of winning, perform CRO net buy in Crypto.com ad, and after that you will boost your odds up to 20 times. So what does this mean? Basically, you can buy CRO, and after that, from there you can boost your basically your luck itself. So if let's say you are new to the ecosystem, and after that you will definitely need the card to unlock the Ruby Steel tier card, and after that, from there you can unlock your free $25. So what you can do is basically sign up, and after that you can just purchase your first $100 worth of AXS, or basically the Smooth Love Potion. Secondly, you will need to buy some CRO to basically get the card itself, and after that enjoy the benefit of the card. So I would recommend you can choose at least $500 to buy, and after that you can get a net booster of 1.5 times. And after that, if let's say you are rich enough, you can do I would say, like on average, if let's say you're super rich, 50,000, basically you get an 8-time bonus. And if you are filthy rich, you can do this. And after that, definitely I would say that if let's say you do this over here, you are getting a booster of 20 times, and of course from there your chances of winning this Axie Infinity is of course super high. And after that, the note down below, we're just gonna read it. So yep, so for how do you even want to choose your Axie Infinity, you need to look at the EXO market that is over here. And after that, from there, if let's say you are caught, you are basically send you an email on your registered account. Basically they will tell you you are a winner, and after that you will need to choose your Axie Infinity from the market itself. And after that, from there, once you have chosen whatever Axie Infinity based on your knowledge, so let's say if you want a break count of 0, or let's say a very unique and strong Axis, you can basically choose it, and after that, from there you can buy it. And of course, they are going to pay for it. You can just show them the link, of course, with the EXO number, and from there they will buy it for you. And after that, you are basically walking away with one free EXO from Crypto.com. And after that, over here we can see that winners will be notified within 14 days to arrange the price of redemption. So you have to look out for your email once you have done the steps as mentioned above. And after that, the next thing is to basically, if let's say on the market itself there's an EXO that you cannot find that is worth around $3,000, or let's say there is no EXO that you like, basically they can issue you the the AXX token to $3,000 worth. If let's say you think that it is more worth it than taking an Axie over here by choosing one. So if let's say you can't find exactly a $3,000 one, basically you can tell them that you do not want to choose a Axie. You can choose the token itself, the AXS, and from there you can swap it for Ethereum or whatsoever. In the future, if the price of Axie grows or whatsoever, you can basically exchange it for Ethereum, and from there you can buy your own Axie if let's say you want to, because you are basically earning $3,000 worth of Axie. You're walking away with one. So if let's say you want to start a team of 4 or even more, you buy lots of Axie, can basically ask them for the money, and after that from there you can convert it to Ethereum, and from there you can buy as many Axie as you want that is cheaper. So this is one of the tip if let's say you have won. So this is what I would say. So over here you need to have the Ronin wallet, and after that from there, yeah, to accept your Axie gift. So this is for those who have won, and after that from there they are asking you to basically they want to send you the Axie Infinity. Basically you need to have this wallet done. If let's say you only want the AXS, you can tell them it's going to be credited to your Crypto.com application. So for the US citizens right now, there's no purchase necessary to enter this lucky draw. Basically you need to do a mailing your contact information to the HQ, I mean the location as mentioned on the terms and condition. From there you are able to, if let's say you're lucky enough, they are going to basically tell you that you win, and after that stuff like this. And after that you have to know that all mail-in inquiries must be reserved prior to the end of the campaign period. So the end of campaign period is from all the way 11 August all the way to 8 of September. So good luck to everyone out there. And after that, I hope that you really like the video. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel. And of course let me comment down below on what do you feel about this event. And after that basically let me know if you are signed up, and after that do you even take part in this competition. So I would like to really hear your reviews and stuff like this. So if you like the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, of course thumbs up to this video, and turn on post notification. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. And of course, bye bye, see you on the next video. Peace.